So some of the questions that gotten concerning this, if you have a version of CompuCell through Miniconda, if you want to keep that, if you do not want to edit, if you do not want to modify that version, you can always create a new Conda environment and then compile CompuCell to that environment to keep them separate. So you always have one that does work. So Lewis asked if we could speed up simulations if we just compile CompuCell and use our compiled version. You could do that, but the way you would effectively do that is by trying to move some of these Python steppable actions into the C level, which we will be going over how to do a simple steppable here in section 9.2. Yes, the compilation will take some time, unfortunately. I would say the caveat to moving stuff to the C level is you can't quite code as fast in C as you can in Python, but C++ does solve a lot faster. I think I saw Maciek correct my 10x with a 50 to 100x, which is believable. Yeah. Python's great due to speed in building. Yes, and James makes a good point that your C++ code is not easily shareable unless you integrate it into CompuCell, which is a higher bar to entry. So it also, as a reminder, what I've gone over and what if you just git clone the CompuCell repository, it is going to pull the 4.6 version. So if you are trying to use 4.7, you will have the Python version mismatch because 4.6 wants Python to be locked to 3.10. I can quickly show how you can find your path for your Python executable. So you have to forgive me as I go through this. So users, so this is the current path that I have. And .conda environment, the Conda environment itself, right? There's a few ways to do this. So this is one of the Python paths. My system's a little bit messed up, so I have a couple. So this is the Python you are targeting. So the other place it can be located is in a hidden folder called program data. You go program data, Miniconda, environments, and then you can see I have 3 environments here. So we're just gonna do this CompuCell3D tissue forge environment that I have. And then here is the executable that you'd want to target. If you're using Explorer and you want to make sure the file path is perfect, you can just click on the top and then copy and paste this. There is an important note in your system if you are not forward thinking like me and you put a space in your username. I'm going to come back to that really quick. when you type in your executable, you have to put it in quotations so that it won't see the space. So for this one, there wasn't a space, but if I were to target this Python and user, see my username has a space in it, and then I wanted to target this Python, then I would need to put this whole thing in the quotations so that it does not read the space here as an argument change. You can probably start to move into the next session for hackathon discussion. Feel free to continue asking questions in chat. If anyone has immediate questions, feel free to ask now or unmute and ask yourself. If you do successfully get the environment working, then you can try to follow along more closely when creating the steppable and plugin for the next session or for the next section. If you don't have the environment compiling, you can still create the module, you just won't be able to compile.